Hey everybody, it's BT here with the February unboxing of the Wallflower Box, February 2018. Let's get started. And I must say, this box smells really, really good. Okay, so we have our monthly letter. And relationships can be the source of much joy and much grief. Oh, that's an understatement. Especially for those of us who desire to be understood and known, yet left alone at the same time. Oh, that is me. So I love these cards because they're really insightful, as what it says, introvert insight. So these are really awesome, and I keep these. And then this is what's in this month's box. So we will kind of explore. Okay, so we have a very dainty bracelet. And if I refer to the packing list, it's a gold heart bracelet. A special heart bracelet gift just for you. This is very cute and dainty. I don't think it's going to fit my wrist, but it's very pretty. So we'll put that to the side. And I love how this box is packed. It's so pretty. And then let's see, we have a card. Vegan nail polish. So this is a coupon. Black Dahlia lacquer. Okay. And then we have some loose leaf tea. I love tea. Can I smell it? It doesn't really have a scent, maybe because it's sealed. But it's Plum Deluxe tea. And it is, let's see, fair trade. Okay. And then we have chocolates, dark chocolate raspberry. I am not a dark chocolate fan, but I would try this one because it's raspberry. And then what's this? Oh, okay, Plum Deluxe. Is this a coupon? We appreciate you. Oh, 20% off your next order. Always great to have. And then we have the actual nail polish, the vegan nail polish by Black Dahlia lacquer. This is a really pretty color, so I can't wait to try that. And then what else is in here? Oh, we have, shampoo and conditioner. It's lavender spearmint. Okay, so can I smell this? I love how they have it sealed. We need to smell this. Okay, so I smelled it. It's very light and faint. So, I wonder what I was smelling though. I was smelling something. Ooh, see this box, I love this box. Okay, what is in this? No, whatever's in this right here, this little box, something in here smells divine. So let's open this box. Alright, so we finally got the dinnerware open, and it's like a little teapot. Aww. You know, I swear this box gets better and better. It's from Core Dinnerware. Like, you know what? Goodness gracious. I want to cry. This is so beautiful. I think this has now become my new favorite box. All right, let's keep going. It just keeps getting better. And then I think this is the book. And something in here. Am I missing something? Because something smells amazing. Or maybe it was this conditioner. Was it this conditioner? Something in this box smells absolutely fabulous, and I'm not sure what it is. Alright, so we have this book called Introverts in Love, The Quiet Way to Happily Ever After by Sophia Dembling. So, if you're introverted, dating and relationships can pose a unique set of challenges for meeting potential mates. Okay, so this seemed like a great therapeutic read. So we'll check it out. I just want to make sure everything is out because something smells amazing. Maybe they sprayed this. I think they sprayed this with incense or something because it smells absolutely fabulous. And it is not this shampoo and conditioner because I opened it up. So anyway, here's a recap of what we got. We got shampoo and conditioner. We have the book. We have this adorable teapot by Core Dinnerware. We have some raspberry dark chocolates, 2 of them. We have some loose leaf tea. Ooh, vegan nail polish. A little gold bracelet, adorable. Coupons and the cards that come with the box. Okay, so this was an absolute wonderful box. I am so pleased. All right, so see you guys next month. Bye-bye.